the line we are taking to St. Pancras. Oh, you guys switched.
Je vous invite à placer.
His crane. Let me see it. It's a crumpled piece of hydro wrapper.
It's a crane. You just have to use your imagination.
We're making haichu cranes,
Hydro snakes.
not snakes. Oh my goodness.
Just keep asking this long.
We're in Belgium. We're going to a chocolate workshop, but we're very, very late.
So after this is done,
Now you tap it to get rid of the bubbles. Yeah, you can leave the side if you have chocolate coming out.
Where's yours, Sheldon?
Already done by my teacher.
Now you guys can already flip it. Yeah. Make sure it goes inside. There you go. And you tap it there.
Filling with ganache.
Try to continue.
Best scrape of her life.
Lift it up a little bit. So that you overcome the nuts. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
And you continue. Awesome. That's great. So I have the magic spoon, so I come here to help you. Ooh, 3 second rule. Look at it. Pop for him.
What are you making, Sheldon?
I don't know yet. We'll see as it goes. First, the blob of chocolate.
And then we're gonna add nuts on it. Hot chocolate.
I like it.
Oh, this is so good.
We are eating lunch at this random Belgian cafe. Called, what is this called? Houtsiplou? Wow, this is a very colorful menu. Cannot read this menu. What should we eat?
Chocolate workshop was great. It was very sweet and informative and difficult to get all the air bubbles out.
Yes.
And keeping everything clean and free of chocolate was very good.
It ended up being a greater workout than I thought it would be.
Yeah, man.
We got the pocket Wi-Fi.
We didn't wait for you.
I took a video of us before we ate. And I explained that we're eating without you because I don't feel like waiting that long.
Okay, beef tartare and then
Salmon tartare, which then I realized
salmon tartare. That's
I
like
realized
poke.
it's just sashimi.
Yeah. I have cheesy croissants and meatloaf. We're checking into our next Airbnb in Belgium. Go.
That looks like a key that you were using Kingdom Hearts. Follow your heart.
I can't.
I don't think it's that one.
Maybe it's the one on top.
The bottom one? No, I meant the bottom one.
There's one on the very bottom.
Or the top one.
It's on the top floor. Oh my goodness. We got to the Airbnb. It's on the very, very top floor. But it's very nice. Very nice. Are you okay, Joy? She came down from here. And then there's a video out here. Ow. We are getting some water for Joy. We just took a nap. It was amazing. We're all still tired, slightly insane. What are we doing right now with our life? We're trying to go here to a supermarket and maybe eventually go to Grand Place, but who knows? At this point, things are very uncertain.
It's been 30 seconds. We've lost the voice.
Okay. Can we go now? Oh, there's like Belgian waffles. Okay.
Chug, 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 chug.
We're going to Grand Place, which is the center and heart of Brussels, Belgium. Very pretty. Ooh.
Is of the Gothic style with a lot of the flying buttresses.
Are you sure?
No. I have no idea what I'm saying.
This is the Delhaize waffle, some kind of waffle with powdered sugar. Smells good. Found a Tintin mural. I do not know, but we are eating in front of us this restaurant. We all got beers. And Joy got water, tap water. That sounds good.
It's like, it reminds me of scallop, but not the texture of scallop. Like the taste of a scallop, but the more texture, more chewier, rubbery.
This is spiff, hè?
She's describing sea snail.
So Melissa's going to try a sea snail. Sorry, that was really close.
It's raw.
So there's like a tough outer shell on the top, and then you're gonna scoop the inside out. Yeah, there you go. So the top part might be hard, just FYI. But that also is where I think it's the sandiest, so you might not want to eat that part. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so you can't really tell that it's raw. Yeah. Because it has like a chewier texture. You don't have to finish, man.
Half uur uit en ik moest naar de volgende afspraak. Dus ik was op precies vlak voor lunchtijd. Ik liep echt fucking lang uit. Ik zit in die meeting en ik moest gewoon direct uit de meeting zeggen ik moet weg. Dus direct wakker weg. Dus ik heb onderweg, eerst vind ik zo meteen voor me even snel naar binnen gegaan. Een broodje vlees in de auto naar binnen moeten. Ik zeg ja, ik zit gewoon alles lopen vanuit. Ik heb de pauze gehad. Ik vind het gewoon zo belangrijk dat we dat überhaupt uitleggen. Ja, natuurlijk. Ook. Als je ziet welke bedragen we binnenbrengen, dan zou dat
We found escape rooms and we're just walking around in Brussels. We're wondering if we should do it. It's called a Numa escape room. No, it's not. What?